Hi friends, I have a great unboxing review, CarPlay and Android Auto from CARabc. Let's come and open the box. This one is smaller than other brands. Let me show you. This has 1920 by 720 ultra high resolution. This is a heat resistant. The screen has 60 photos per second. You see the ads, they look very clear. You can make a phone calls with your voice here. It has sport entertainments. And you have Google Maps in here. This is the mount. I'm not putting it there, but you can put it in here in front. You can put it in the glass here, you see, or you can put it here in front of your car, right there. Okay. Let's fit in the car. Come with a bracket and UPS cable. This is a 8.8 inch screen. This is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, support Bluetooth. This is how it looks when you connect it. You can adjust your music and make a calls while you're driving safety. The screen has 3-in-1 cable connecting the reverse camera, AUX cable, and cigarette lighter cable. This one they go over here. The aggregate bracket will not shake or fall when you're driving. Friends, if you want to order them from the link below, you can get 10% discount. Thank you for support, guys. See you another video, Enrique76.